Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PSN how to change region. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What you need to understand is Sony does not allow changing the region or country on our existing PlayStation account. Once you create an account with a region like USA, UK, India, Nepal, etc., it is permanently locked. So what you can do is create a new PSN account with the region you want. This is the only official way to change the region. To do it, simply head over and open up your PlayStation app out of your current PSN account and select a new user on your PS5 or PS4. Then simply choose create account, and then when choosing country or region, pick the one you want from USA, UK, UAE, Singapore, and etc. Then once that's done, fill in the details, and once you have filled in your details, simply verify the new email by going to your mail and tapping on the link to verify the new account. And once that's done, now you have a PSN account in your new region. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.